Hi, my name is Gurleen and I did Medical Office Assistant Diploma from RCB College. My admission process was really smooth and the admissions was really quick with all the support of employees here. Everybody at college was so helping. My professors, their team, everybody was so helpful and they get me through with the whole process real quick. I learned in this diploma is the about medical terminology, some medical terms, how to deal with patients, some hygiene things, which is really great. You can use it in your daily life. I get more depth into how to save a person's life if you are roaming around and you see somebody. I learned so many things from that too. One thing I like about RCB College is the practicum placement. Right after I was done with my graduation diploma, I got placed in Practicum in Alberta Health Services, which is a really good opportunity. And after within 2 weeks, when I was done with my Practicum, they hired me right away, and which is a really, really good opportunity. That what I was dreaming of. Coming from the business background, and after that, I got hired in Alberta Health Services was like my dream come true because that is a really good opportunity. You can go forward with it and you can get more opportunities within the Alberta Health Services. My name is Gurleen and I did Medical Office Assistant Diploma from RCB College.